If you're new to any software, mastering a few simple shortcuts can make your workflow so much faster. In this video, I'll show you 5 must-know shortcuts that will save you time and help you draw more efficiently. Whether you're sketching, painting, or editing, these shortcuts will make a huge difference. So let's get started. Made a mistake? No worries, just hit Ctrl Z to undo it. And if you go too far back, use Ctrl Shift Z to redo. This is one of the most important shortcuts for any digital artist. Trust me, you'll use it a lot. Need a bigger brush for shading or a tiny one for details? Instead of opening menus, just press the left bracket to make it smaller and the right bracket to make it bigger. You can also hold Shift, click the left mouse button and then drag the mouse to the left to make the brush smaller or to the right to make it bigger. Picking colors manually takes forever. Instead, hold Ctrl and click anywhere on your canvas to instantly grab that color. This is super useful for blending and keeping your colors consistent. Scrolling around your canvas can be a hassle. Just hold Spacebar and drag with your mouse or pen to move freely. It makes navigating your artwork so much smoother. Ever feel like something is off in your drawing, but can't figure out what? Press M to flip your canvas and see your mistakes instantly. It's a great way to check proportions and balance. And that's it! These 5 shortcuts will save you time and make your workflow much smoother. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital art tips.